I'm sorry to see that the earthquake happened in Turkey and we have a lot of people died. We are seeing many news saying that there will be 200,000, 20,000 people inside those buildings, and last month a lot of Turkish members visited Korea, and I asked the branch leader to check if any Turkish member is having a hardship to provide some help for them. And fortunately, we have no one seriously affected, but some of them have their family members being affected. So I told him to help them. We will provide them with $100,000, and we will also provide some supplies, which is but rather than cash, we need to provide them with some supplies, clothes, or some simple food as well. Those things are really needed for them. So the disaster is not didn't end, and their families are in hardship. So I also want you to join us to help them. We will collect those supplies to send them to Turkey, and we have the plane. And they need your help. We have our members, and this is the best time for me to help each other, which is at the center of our Atomy vision. And Turkey is very important for Korea because during the Korean War, Turkey is one of the countries who provided some troops for us. At the first moment, Turkey is our brother country. So that is why we need to provide some help for them.